Where's she at? Where's Allie? Where's Allie at, Sam? Sam, where's Allie? Where's she at? Is she outside? Well, go to the door. Go. Go get her. Go get Allie. I'm sorry. She'll be in a minute. Okay? Where are you going? Sam. She's right there. Look. She said she'd be right back. What's wrong? Okay. He thinks she's coming in right now. Sam. Allie. Hey, Allie. Come here, Sam. Come here. Samson. Baby, come here. Mama will be right back. She went outside for a second. Okay? Mama will be back. Come here. Come on, I'll hold you. Come on, I'll hold you. Sam, come here. Thank you. Come on. Come here. You a sweet baby. He is listening and waiting for her to come in that door. He is watching the door. That's sad. I'm sorry. Well, I'm not going to hold that. That's ridiculous. You got to keep talking to him.
I'm the boss. What do you have, Chris?